is the actual driving part. This is around 6:30ish, almost 7 o'clock. I just want to try it out the camera during daytime to show you guys how it looks. As you can see, the color quality is very crisp, very nice looking. So this is around 8:30, almost 9 o'clock, and this is with my headlights on, and I am amazed of the color quality and nighttime view. This is again with the headlights completely off, and as you can see, it looks just like daytime, and this is very dark. Wow, this is amazing. My daughter was sitting in the car and she was like, wow, daddy, this looks just like daytime. And I'm very amazed. You can see the image quality right there. I have to say that this is the first time I see a product like this that works so well in nighttime, and I have never seen one in the car that comes with the car factory as good as this particular system right here. Wow, this is awesome. Look at it, guys. Tell me, isn't that awesome or not? It looks just like daytime right there. And this is with minimal lights. Now even if I turn off my headlight, it will look really good as well. You can see right there. This is so cool. And this clip right here is actually on a very dark road. This is with just my headlight on, and you can see a lot better than the actual outside. Look at it. Look at the difference. How awesome is that?